My name is Ron Zygarlicke, and I'm a product and marketing manager at H&S Manufacturing. And today we're kind of looking at the new model of the Hydra-Push manure spreader. So the Hydra-Push we have available in two different models or sizes, I should say, 425 bushel and 550 bushel. The manure spreader has been and still is available with a vertical beater, as you see it here in the load system, or a horizontal beater system, like a conventional type of spreader. The new model encompasses some nice features. We went with a constant velocity PTO out front. Again, part of it is we listen to the customers and we talk to them what they like, what they don't like, whatever. And there's just some little things. We made a little bit longer tongue out front, longer PTO shaft for the guys that are running quick hitches on their tractors. And that seemed to be a problem, when you got some of this turning too short and whatever. So again, we listened to our customers and we hopefully took care of that problem. One of the other big things that we did with it is we looked at the drive system that we have. And on the vertical beater model, we have what we call a monoblock gearbox now. And we used to drive on the old ones from the top. We're driving with a monoblock gearbox on the bottom. It eliminates a lot of chains and sprockets and stuff that we had on the old one. Again, that was something that it was okay, but there was, again, when we look at the warranties and such, we saw wear or what we sold in parts, the number of parts that we sell. That's how we determine, should we be investigating this? Why is this happening? Why are they selling so many and stuff? It's great to sell parts, but it's not great to sell parts for the wrong reason. I mean, over time, yes, things wear out, but prematurely, so that's when we look at as a company, we look at, what do we do to make it better? And we're always looking to do that. Actually, dairy and cattle farmers are big with this. The nice thing about the vertical beater spreader, so many guys nowadays are getting to the point where they want to know how much manure they're putting on their land. If they know what they're doing or how much manure they're putting on the land, and that's with a vertical beater, you can get a nice 25, 30 foot spread pattern out pretty even. So if they can determine how much manure they put on the land, they can actually cut their fertilizer costs. I've sat down with a lot of farmers, and on one of our other models of spreaders, our top shut, our side discharge, we actually offer a scale system on there. Okay, so growing up, I mean, I'm getting close up to the retirement years, but growing up, who would ever thought that you would have a scale system on a manure spreader, back 20 years ago even, and much less that now with scale systems that you have out there, you can actually take and know what you're putting on. You can download it, put it into Google, overlay it on Google Maps. It's just, what you can do now is fantastic. But it all helps that farmer with his costs, what he can do to save money. We look at everything. We look at safety and everything like that. And on this one, you see the extra shielding or screening that you see around. Normally it comes with just the interior screen, but sometimes you get, especially when you're turning a corner with something, a tractor's coming around, and even though you're protected, we do a very good job protecting with the hydraulic end gate, but a stone, something could possibly get by, chunk of manure, frozen manure, or whatever. And we're trying to protect the farmer. Safety is number one in our company, I'll tell you that. We have a safety committee, and we're all over that. And so again, when he's turning, we don't want something to come flying at the tractor, hit the window, whatever. And or if he doesn't have a cab, hit him, obviously. But that's one of the other little things. And the other feature that we had along with this, now we have a variable speed flow control for the pusher. Before, you basically varied it by the flow control in the tractor. Now you have the option of having a manual or electric flow control option. So again, we can accommodate whatever he wants.